Hey girls, hey guys, I'm Sakura. This time I'm going to introduce you this. I think a lot of people like Japanese food and tempura is one of them. Just a moment, I open it. See, this is tempura. Tempura is kind of deep fried vegetable and seafood. This one I bought at supermarket. It was about 400 yen. It's about 4 US dollars. This is tempura rice bowl. We call this kind of food tendon. Don means rice bowl. You can see rice underneath tempura here. This is rice. And I show you what kind of tempura on it. This one and this one. These two are shrimps. This one is pumpkin, eggplant. I think this one is sweet potato and carrot, lotus root. And this pink thing is not tempura, it's pickles. And this green thing is just decoration plastic thing. You can't eat it. And this is tendon dish. Tempura specifically has special sauce that goes well with it. This sauce, you can see the brown thing. It really goes well with this tempura dish. That's it for this video. See you next time.